Alright guys, for today's video, we're going to factor 9x squared plus 15x plus 33. Well, as you know from earlier slides, in order to do this, we need to ask ourselves what number can we pull out of all three of these. Let's switch over to take a look at it. So if you look, we see 9x squared plus 15x plus 33. And again, our idea is what number can we pull out of all of these? Well, the first thing I usually try to do is take a look at the smallest number. In this case, we have 33, 15, and 9, so 9 would be our smallest value. And I ask myself, how many different ways can I think of to divide 9? Well, the first way, which is probably the most obvious, is try to divide it by 1, but that's really not going to change anything. If you divide by 1, you get the same thing as you had before. So 1's usually a bad choice. Well, what if we tried to divide by 9? Well, we could definitely divide 9, x squared by 9, but we wouldn't be able to divide 15 or 33 by 9 since those would just give us decimals. The last thing that 9 is divisible by is 3. So let's see if that would work. Can we divide 9 by 3? Yeah. 15? You bet. 33? Absolutely. So we know we could definitely divide by 3. The last thing we're going to check to see if we can pull out a variable. Well, 9x squared has an x, 15x also has an x, but unfortunately 33 does not have an x. Because 33 does not have an x, we cannot pull out any variables. So let's go ahead and divide each of these by 3. All right, well, if we pull out a 3, then let's go ahead and write that 3. Now, what would 9x squared divided by 3 be? Well, if you said 3x squared, you're 100% correct. Positive 15x divided by 3, well, that's just going to give us positive 5x. And of course, 33 divided by 3 is just 11. So plus 11. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the answer.